In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to activate the keypad tones on an X6 smartwatch. Okay, go to Phone. Now I'm going to enter a code. Now after I enter this code, the watch is going to make a loud screeching sound, so you may want to cover your ears. Enter *##0 1 2 3 #. Now press the power button. Now go to Phone. Now as you can hear, the keypad tone is activated. Now to deactivate the keypad tones, you can restore the watch to factory settings and the keypad tones will no longer be active. So there you go, that is how to activate the keypad tones on an X6 smartwatch. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.